Hi guys, this is a Draw4Fun channel. So, sorry like so late, but I had some things going on. I had no time to actually do a video. I've done some when I was actually in the garden, but you'll see the after. But now I'm going to show you how to draw one. So, just a pencil. A pen or a pencil will be fine. And it's a pencil. So if you're doing this for the first time, I'll use a pencil. This isn't my first step, but I'll use it. And if you want to see some of the ones what I didn't make up, go to Fun to Draw, type it in, and there'll be a me, you, lady. What will do actually some cool and better drawings. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to divide my page like try and do it equal in half. And do two designs. To do it like this, it will be too messy. First of all, I had this idea by my friend Minnie Magdalena. I'll write it in the comment below so you can watch her channel, which is really cool. And I had this idea, a nice story. So, first you're going to start with drawing a straight line on the bottom. Yep, a straight line on the bottom. Then I want you to go up. See, it's all good. No, I've done it because my hands went a bit right to the top and curve it round and down. There we go. It's not too straight, but remember, it doesn't matter because if you want to colour it in, you can just do it harder. Then you want to draw about 2 lines there and another thin loop and that's a stick. So by the way, not on you just. Then you just do a smile like that. There we go. This sort of got started. And now we want to draw the eyes. You can do them closed, like, you haven't actually done one like that, too closed. I'll do one open and one like so, blinking. There we go. Let's say it's going to be like that. So I forgot what's the called the ice cream. Never missed something. I don't know. What's got sprinkles on top and that. Yeah. We're going to do some lines for the sprinkles. This is all an idea of doing that, but doing it cute. Sorry, I just went into the sprinkles, but I just remembered. So, there we go. We could do it sort of like, do some dripping, like the ice cream is dripping. And because it's like hot day. And then so about that bit and just do it sort of on this bit so it won't be really high. Do it on. Just do it a bit smaller. Okay. There we go. If you want a girl, add some eyelashes. There we go. So it's not blinking. Then when you colour it in, you can just you can write something like win or something on there, but I don't really want to do it. So like this. Do this bottom bit darker. There we go. So here's our ice lolly. There we go. Which is by okay. So let's do another one. Our second one is not going to be food. It's going to be household, as I was saying. So like forks and stuff. I was thinking to actually do a bowl or a saucepan, and a pan, frying pan, and stuff like that. So we actually can do a fridge. So draw a line on the top here, and then I want going down about halfway, and then cross down, and then you go down again, but a bit smaller, not such big difference. You can see it's gone off a bit here, so I want to get to there, or just do it darker. See, it's so straight now. Sorry, almost there we go. Then let's do some handles here. That's how I've got my, but you know, they're sticking out. There we go. And then let's say it's a Samsung one. Samsung fridge. Put it on the top. Circle. There we go, and we could put the eyes now. I mean, the smile. Cute smile. There we go. And now the eyes. These are just going to be normal eyes. Well, they're not normal, but like normal Draw4Fun eyes. Little cute eyes. Let's say this is a boy because you know it's a fridge. So do we want a girl being a fridge? Fridge girl. There we go. Let's do it on this. And I forgot to, let's go back to the lolly to do the eyebrows. They're like sort of the most important. Oh, the eyebrows. There we go. So let's do the eyebrows. She does them tiny, she does them big. Different sizes, really. I was doing like this too. I might as well do this one a bit smaller. So you have to think before you do it, because it might go wrong. There we go. We can, I'm not sure what to add. We can put a magnet or something. But let's just keep it simple. And we actually could do it open. So let's just rub the handle down. So if you want to do an opening one, just rub the handle out. Sorry, I supposed to say at the beginning. There we go. And then you would want to just do, let's say it's not the full one. There we go, that's open. There we go, it's got 3 drawers in. You want to draw these handles to open these ones. There we go. And got your stars, you have it there, and what you can put in, like fish, something, you know. So here we go. So an open fridge. here's our fridge. So, and that's by SK. So, here was the fridge, which is open. That is the open side with some things on. And there's a lolly with a blinking eye, eyes closed, with some dripping drops. So I hope you enjoy them, and now I want to show you how I colour them. So I've actually got 3 blues, which are about the same, but some of them work. So I'll start with the eye colour. So we will need, that's my pencil case at school. And now I don't know what to use. Brown. Oh god. Oh no. Brown for the stick. Okay, wait, I've got some better working browns here. I want to do it that way. Colour it in brown. I'm doing it with chalk. Not chalk, sorry, crayon. It says crayon. And colour it in. Ta-da! Done. Next thing, we actually could do sprinkles. So let's do different colours. Where at the hell all my factors go? Gone. Oh my god. Oh, I'll get some in my pencil case. That might be the pencil case, so it's mine at school, so I'll use it. Turquoise colour. And it's not turquoise, it's like a bluey turquoise. Do 2 of these. And I've got purple. The electric ones. There's 3 colours, there's 4, sorry, there's a green one too, but I don't know where that comes. And an orange. There we go. Our sprinkles are done. So let's say we're going to colour it in this bit yellow. Or peach colour, you know, in the Crayola, just above there is one. So you could see that. And let's do a dark outline. Done. It's dark outline. You actually can't see the yellow. Next thing, we're going to do the eyebrows. They are black, so I'm just going to use a pencil, black pencil. Not to make it too stand out. Like, I mean, I want it to stand out because it's black, but not too much, because when it's like factory, if I do it, I just do them pencils and to make it look nice. The eyes are too black. I mean, I'll show you which bits are black. One eye is done. Let's start with the other. And now you see that's the whole eye. So what you actually do, you just do these. I'm not going to stop it this time. And you do these, and that's how you do it on every eye. That's this bit black. You have to go do a different colour, but I do this colour and keep it with that. Then you can do the eye a different colour. Like that. And let's use the top tip. What is the bit you actually so do that black, that, and then you just put them to be shaped. Yes, I want to be black, but I do it. I just do it with a pencil. Because I don't want too much black in it. I meant to go lighter, which I forgot. and it goes into the colour. There we go. Let's do the mouth now. I've actually done the inside wrong. On the fridge, haven't it? There we go. Some shiny teeth. Ding! Now I've got a star in it. Also, that must be pink. So, I've got a sort of red one. Oh, that's not the teeth because it won't match actually because it's showing it colour. Let me just do this. Yeah, it might not look too right, but it looks good enough. But this bit's going to be the ready colour. So, we need the red, which I've not got in pencil for some reason. So, you need to do is, it is a pinky red, because it's not got a lid, but it's pink. It comes out red. Let's do this pink. Because it goes sort of into a shade of red. Oh, I forgot to tell you to do this bit black. And this bit pink. Because the eye's closing. See, this pink's quite nice. It's like a darker pink. Oh, you can't see that. This might help. It's actually a mirror. Right. Ta-da! Next, we do this bit. This is white. Down. I thought this one was grey. Oh wait, I've got it in this one. Oh, well, it's not this one. It's like a really, it's like sort of this colour. It's like grey, but in the shade of purple. So I'm trying to sharpen it. Okay, here's, see, it's grey. I don't really want the grey item. Let's sharpen the purple. I don't know why it's not sharpened. Look how cool it went out. Okay. When you put it together. Flower. You know what I actually want to do? I got a sharpening pencil, even because they weren't sharp yet. And I put lots of glue on for the snowman and I put all the sharpenings on it. That was quite a long time ago. I think it was like 2 years ago or something. I think it looked quite nice. What is broke? You know what? I'll just there we go. This is sort of like a nice. I thought. Let's do the drop. What about purple? Oh. I'll do the shaded, like a pinky one. To make it sort of, you know, mix in the the purple or the grey to make it look like they all mixed up, or you can see it like that, however you want. Because I use this cracked one, actually, and I make that really looks nice enough. I use just this to do that, sideways. Right, this sort of mixed up, right, that'll be enough. So here was the ice, and I hope you enjoyed me showing you how to draw the ice lolly, the cute ice lolly, kawaii food. And now, let's go onto the fridge. Closing it in. So, we actually do it, like grey, because they are white. Well, they're not always white. You can get them different colours. But let's see. Do you know what? These colours are getting on my nerves. Anyway, we sharpen the colour and after time a bit. Yeah. I was doing it a bit sharp, but I didn't know because I need to break again. And again. See, it. Oh God. I'm trying not to do it that sharp now. No, it broke again. Oh, it's getting tiny now. Look, it's going to go. Oh, I'm not sharpening that much though. So it's not going to break. Wait, I need to sharpen this side. You know what? I might just use. Is that nice for a fish colour? Oh, do you know what? I might just have to use it like this. We have to do the background because the pencil's great, but we just colour it in lightly. If you like it to be like that shady and nice, just break your pencil off and sharpen it. Or if it breaks on itself and you get some nerves like you got on mine, just use it like I do. I'll show you in a sec. Well, you're supposed to know anyway, so I don't really have to show you. See, a broken bit off. A broken piece of pencil. And just grab it there. Let's use it. The good side of the fridge is white, so it's not really colouring. I forget to do the fridge blue, but let's do the the inside the drawers blue. That's still the inside, remember. These are actually stuff. I forgot to do this. Let's do it brown. And let's open it. Write Samsung in blue. So you can actually write in cinnamon, but I'm not going to use cinnamon because it's my friends to swap with. Doesn't like my shape, but okay. Next thing I want you to colour in is get the black again. So if you got the black out, I guess it's really sharp, really hard to break. It's really good. Do the eyebrows. And do the other one. I would do the outline first, and then if anything like crane comes out or the pencil, I'll just clear it. And I'll do this side. Let's do the cheeks. And finally to the last one. You just need one. I might do them eyes. Oh, sorry about that talking. My last phone was ringing off. I think I might just go in that way. Yes, I might do the back way with this one. Sorry. Oh yeah, I'll do this. And just colour in that blue or light blue. I don't know whether it's my light blue. Colour it in lightly, not dark, because then it takes you longer. She forgot off the, we're doing it, and let's do this. So here was our fridge. I hope you enjoyed me drawing the fridge at household. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it, and you will want to draw it. Let's just do the face, the mouth side. Get the red or pink. Get the black. Just do the nose. I actually want to go down to the felt tip, it's not too nice. But alright, so here is our Samsung fridge. And I hope you enjoyed it. And my iPhone, and my fridge. So I hope you enjoyed me doing these, and it took me actually 29 minutes, so nearly half an hour. But next time I'll try to make it shorter, and I'll try not to do 2. So bye, and see you next time, guys, and please subscribe below. Please, I've only got 1 subscriber, or 2, sorry, and please. So bye, and see you next time.